Përshëndetje miqtë e mi, and welcome in this new video of the Albanian language. The topic of today, it's about saving water because I want to do some videos about sustainability. So saving water, it's an important topic. How do you say save water in Albanian language? Kursej ujin. Kursej ujin. Because uji is the water. Uji, the water. Another sentence with the water can be the water is the source of life. Uji është burimi I jetës. Uji është burimi I jetës. So, water is uji, the source is burimi, and life is jeta. Alright? Now, what about the tap? Tap in Albanian language is çezma. Çezma, which I think it is similar to the Turkish language. So one sentence to save the water can be turn off the tap to save water. In Albanian language, we will say mbyll çezmën për të kursyer ujë. Mbyll çezmën për të kursyer ujë. So turn off the tap to save the water. Because çezma is the tap. And mbyll is to turn off or close. Another word or sentence can be associated with saving water is to leak, which in Albanian language is pikoj. So, for example, a leaking faucet wastes a lot of money. In Albanian language, we will say pikimi I rubinetit shpërdoron shumë ujë. Pikimi I rubinetit shpërdoron shumë ujë. So we have here the word to waste. The verb to waste in Albanian language is shpërdoroj. It's a very used word. Shpërdoroj, to waste. Then another word that is with saving water, I already explained, save. Save, kursej, kursej. For example, we all need to save water. We all need to save water. In Albanian language, we will say të gjithë duhet të kursejmë ujin. Të gjithë duhet të kursejmë ujin. And then another thing that can be associated with saving water is the bucket, which is kova. For example, use a bucket to wash the car. Use the bucket to wash the car. Përdor kovën për të larë makinën. Përdor kovën për të larë makinën. So the bucket is kova. And to wash, the verb laj, we have also studied that before. And the car is makina. Makina. So these are the words that we learned today about saving the water. So the water is ujë. To save is kursej. And then we learned the word burimi, the source. Life, jeta. We learned the word the tap, çezma. We learned the word, for example, yes, to leak, pikoj. We learned the word to waste, shpërdoroj. And then also we learned the word kova, the bucket. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and try repeating, and please subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much. Mirupafshim nga unë Viola.